So I gotta put up these green onions separate. I'm putting all my vegetables up already. So this is for that Yakamein. Whatever how you say it, whatever you said, this H-time flavor. Okay. This is requested, so I gotta do it. For the Yakamein, I already cut up my onion, my green onion, red pepper, green pepper. Okay, I got a meat, it's already boiling. Now I gotta cut up these mushrooms because we need to use it. And this right here on the side is gonna be the garnish to put on top, but I'm gonna smother this. So yeah, while I'm putting the oil in the pan, is gonna be for this. Like I told you, I'm gonna roast it, so this is gonna be the garnish for the top. They have all the same things, but also it have tomatoes in it, and then it have onion, it have red pepper, green pepper, white onion, and then the tomatoes at the bottom and stuff. With the mushrooms in it, so I got the mushrooms, and then of course I got the mushrooms over here. And it's cooking down. I'm gonna put my vegetables up in the chicken so that they get soft with the beef broth and the spaghetti. So give me one moment. No, I didn't put my way how I made my Yakamein. Yes, sir. You see the spices.
Crouching on the wall.